friends, today we're talking about mouse paint. These mice on the front are white, and we're talking about red and yellow and blue and what happens to the mice. Once there were 3 white mice on white paper. The cat couldn't find them. They seem to have disappeared on that paper. One day while the cat was asleep, the mice saw 3 jars of paint, 1 red, 1 yellow, and 1 blue. They thought it was mice paint. They climbed right in. There was 1 red, 1 yellow, and 1 was blue. They dripped puddles on the paper. The puddles looked like fun. Have you ever played inside a puddle? The red mouse stepped in the yellow puddle and did a little dance. His red feet stirred the yellow puddle until, look, he cried, red feet in a yellow puddle make orange. The yellow mouse hopped onto the blue puddle. His feet mixed and stirred and mixed until, look down, said the red mouse and the blue mouse. Yellow feet in the blue puddle makes green. Then the blue mouse jumped into the red puddle and splashed and mixed and danced until, purple, they all shouted. Blue feet in a red puddle makes purple. But the paint in their fur got sticky and stiff, so they washed themselves down in a nice, soft, white, C-A-T spells cat. Do you think that could be the cat bowl? And painted the paper instead. They painted 1 part red, 1 part yellow, and 1 part blue. Then they mixed red and yellow to make orange paint, yellow and blue to paint a green part, and blue and red to paint a purple part. That was a really good idea. My page is stuck. But they left some white because of the cat, so they could hide out. So I have 3 mice here, 1 blue, 1 yellow, and 1 red, and 3 jars. 1 blue, 1 yellow, and 1 red. And where do you think those mice should go? Should the blue one go in here? Or should the blue one go in the blue jar? How about the red one? Here, here, or here? So that looks like the yellow one would go there. Try mixing your colors and have fun. Bye, friends.